Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about the brand new Asus ROG Strix G16 2025. This laptop is a beast and I can't wait to share all the details with you. The ROG Strix G16 has a sleek, futuristic design with sharp edges and customizable RGB lighting on the lid and keyboard. It's definitely a hair-turner. The glass is made of a magnesium aluminum alloy and plastic, which makes it both lightweight and durable. It feels premium to the touch. This 16-inch laptop weighs around 2.7 kilograms, which might seem heavy at first, but it's not unusual considering its powerful hardware and a strong cooling system. The laptop features a 16-inch QHD Plus 2560 by 6100 display with a 250Hz refresh rate, perfect for a smooth gameplay and content creation. It covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut and has a peak brightness of 500 nits, making colors pop even in well-lit environments. It also supports Dolby Vision HDR and NVIDIA G-Sync, ensuring a tear-free gaming experience. Plus, it's patent validated for color accuracy. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275HX, which has 24 cores and can boost up to 5.4 GHz. It also features an Intel AI Boost NPU for enhanced AI performance. For graphics, it comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB of GDDR7 VRAM, delivering ray tracing and DLSS4 for stunning visuals. It has 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz and a 2TB PCIe 4 NVMe SSD, ensuring lightning fast load times and a smooth performance. The cooling system uses liquid metal thermal paste and a tray fan designs with arc flaws fans to keep temperatures in check even during long gaming sessions. The keyboard is a dream for gamers with perky RGB lighting, 1.9mm key travel, and anti-ghosting technology. It also has a Copilot key for quick access to AI features in Windows 11. The trackpad is large, smooth, and supports Windows Precision drivers, making it responsive and accurate for both gaming and productivity tasks. The 90 watt-hours battery provides around 6 to 7 hours of light usage, but for gaming, you'll want to keep it plugged in. It has a great selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for ultra-fast connectivity. Asus includes its Armoury Crate software, which lets you customize RGB lighting, monitor system performance, and adjust fan speeds. The Dolby Atmos speakers provide impressive sound, and the AI noise-canceling microphone ensure clear communication during online gaming. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix G16 2025 is an excellent choice for gamers and content creators who want a powerful, stylish laptop. If you are thinking about getting this laptop, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.